now, today we have the Samsung U410, a very compact Verizon Page Plus 3G flip. Now you can only activate this little puppy from now until December 31st, 2018, because Verizon is stopping activation of all 3G devices, and they had already stopped in their retail store locations as of July 1st, 2018. Now this phone is, like I said, very compact, great as a spare. Throw it in your glove box, put it in your purse. College students, I would not so much suggest this for a senior because it is quite small, and so is the screen. But for as little as $30, these can still be had new. And as you can see, compared to a battery, it's about a little bit less than the size of a normal pack of cigarettes, but then maybe a little bit bigger than a big pack of Wrigley's chewing gum. And it activates by the serial number, and the serial number is located underneath the battery. And just power it up to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. And once you give Verizon or Page Plus the serial number, you press *228, then press send, and it will call and activate. And you press the number 1 key after the recording. It's very simple phone. You got your contact list, missed calls, recent calls, and such. Your account, tools. In the tools, you'll have voice commands, so it does have recognize voice commands such as call home. It won't text or anything like that. And it does have a calculator, a calendar, an alarm clock, stopwatch, world clock, and a notepad. Those are all the tools that you have. And the Get It Now portion, that does not connect to the Verizon platform anymore.